Most kind and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is artist Rabia and I'm back with my next video. Today we will learn that how to heal any kind of photo, and you can use this top healing brush and healing brush. Okay, first of all, I'm making a new layer. Always remember that whenever you are working, you have to work on a new layer. You can see I will first work with the help of this healing brush tool. Let's take this guys work same as the clone stamp tool. For example, you have to define a source first and then you have to move on. For example, you can see I had adjust this sample on all layers. I'm moving this and you can press Alt and you can define the source. Alt and click. You can see now. Like this guys, you can heal your any kind of photo. You must have your childhood photos and you will have these spots like on your photos. You can heal this very easily with the help of this tool. I'm just zooming out so that I can see it very clearly.
José Gabriel, el cóndor canqui, el gran Tupaki, es Tupac Amaro, el gran Tupac, que son mis hermanos cordilleranos.
You can see it is working very smoothly. Guys, you can erase your pimples with the help of this, and you can erase the spots or the pimples from your face very easily. As you can see, this portion is made very nice. You can see this is, I want to show you, this is before and this is after. Isn't it so cute? Now I'm going with this part. Let's see how will this work. Guys, I have this spot healing brush tool and I'm working here. Guys, for this tool, healing brush tool, you don't need to define the source. It works as simply. It is very simple. You will just click and it will heal the spots.
que son mis hermanos cordillerano.
Guys, for this part you can see here it is showing some of the light, but let me click here. For this corner you can also use the clone stamp tool. For example, this is the clone stamp tool. I'm defining the source from here. No, I should work on the all layers, sampling the all layers. I'm taking the spot from here, and look, it will work like this. Okay guys, I'm increasing its size till here, and now I'm again taking the spot healing brush and let me heal this all. I'm increasing the speed meanwhile. You can see the spots on his coat. Guys, from where you want to decrease the size, you can decrease or increase according to your taste.
Yo soy una hija del Inti Sol, de la Pachamama y del Inti Sol. Yo soy hermana del pueblo Coya, del Inti hermano y de la Aymara, de la Aymara, la Aymara. Un indio me guía a la libertad, de la
Guys, I'm also healing in his face and in his ears like this. It is very simple and very easy to use, and you can also have fun with the help of this. You can see here you have some of the distortion, so here you can use the clone stamp tool. I'm selecting the source and I'm just decreasing its size, selecting the source, and I will work like this. I'm again taking the clone stamp tool here to fill hair in the ears. Like this. Guys, you can see there is no spot now. You can fill this distortion from here, but for me now it is okay. Guys, you can see these were the spots which I had filled. You can see, although you can see this is before and this, although you can see this is before and this is after. The distortion was same like this, but it is okay. It is looking fantastic. You can erase the pimples, you can erase the spots from your face, and you can erase any of the spots from any of the image like this with the help of this spot healing brush and this healing brush tool. Guys, hope you had enjoyed this video and you had learned that how can you heal your photos, and you can use the healing spot tools like this. Okay guys, if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe and smash that bell icon so that you can get the latest updates about the designs. So this is artist Rabia signing off. We'll come back with another video tomorrow, inshallah.